Sony camera test and review. Very beautiful and powerful camera with big battery for long video. Has scrapes in this place, how you see, and also in good condition, perfect, not have also scrapes, only this place big scrapes, and also in perfect clean lens, and always perfect working, clean screen. Test video. Touch screen is perfect working, very fast camera, very good quality of video, Sony lens, and rack test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Always perfect working. Very beautiful and powerful camera. All buttons is working. All is perfect working. See on the listings.